Catboy's cat.
Nothing compared to the magnificence of my royal headdress. What? Away from me, creature! Hey! The ancient, all-powerful Temple of Ra! And I, Pharaoh, am its rightful ruler! Temple of Ra! I am your ruler, not those PJ Pipsqueaks! I command you to let me in! Temple of Ra, I said! What are you doing here? Unless... Perfect as a way to enter my temple. A gift from the Nile. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. By the power of Ra, transform meow!
Kitty, you're friendly. You guys go right ahead. I'll wait here at this furry little bundle of cuteness.
Okay, Catboy.
Oh, yes, you are.
Meow.
Whoa! Like my cat's whiskers. You're connecting with my powers.
We found it. It was under the couch. Come on, we can go back to our mission. Catboy.
Wait, this cat is spectacular.
Spectacular?
Huh? But it was amazing. Really, I just...
Meow. Oh, yes. This plan will work perfectly.
Ape in a Cape has a chimp. Giraffetron has a llama. All these heroes have animal sidekicks.
You're not still thinking about that cat, are you?
It connected with my power. Just think, with my own cat's sidekick, I could save the day even better.
You already saved the day with your super cat speed and super cat jump. And don't forget your amazing PJ Mask friends.
We've got to at least look for it. PJ Masks, we're on our way. Into the night. To save the day!
Night in the city, and a brave band of heroes is ready to face fiendish villains to stop them messing with your...
There it is! Right outside HQ! It must be looking for me. Coming, kitty!
Meow.
Hey! By my cat's whiskers! Feel that cat connection! Okay, name. Catboy and... Bob. Yes, Bobcat. Catboy's sidekick.
Come on, Catboy. We've got to make sure everything's okay in the city.
Can you handle it without me? I need to work on Bobcat's powers.
Bobcat? All right.
You do have powers, right?
Meow.
Whoa! I'm levitating! Wow! That was so cool! Huh? You want to go inside? Sure. A cat sidekick's got to know about HQ. Kitty biscuits? Maybe you want to play?
Meow.
I'll get you some water.
Meow. As if you have powers, cat. That was me. And the power of Ra. Ah, my temple.
Oh, no glow? Maybe you need a cat nap. Shh! Bobcat's having a nap. Making our first cat connection tired him out.
I need to get these PJ Punies out of my temple so I can finally rule! What simple machinery? Let's give them a reason to go out. PJ vehicles, prepare to launch!
This can be my special pose when I'm with Bobcat connecting. What do you think?
I think we've got a mission. Owl glider out of control. Gasping geckos. That sounds like the Gecko-mobile. No! Forget feline sidekicks. We need to get our stuff back.
This could be Bobcat's first mission. By my cat's whiskers, he's gonna be awesome.
Farewell, PJ Masks. Finally, I am the ruler of my temple. What? Finally, I am ruler of my temple. What now?
Let's go, Bobcat. Huh? Pharaoh boy?
Yes, it was me who put the glow in that cat. I used the cat as cover to enter your HQ.
No way! Wait until I tell the others you...
I don't think so, kitty cat boy. Transform him!
Meow. Meow.
So much for having a cat sidekick. Now you're just a plain old cat forever!
Meow.
Let's see how the PJ Masks work as a team now. My power is here, and my temple... company. Lizard Boy and Flappy Bird Thing. I, Pharaoh Boy, rule this temple of Ra. I transformed myself into a cat, and your foolish friend let me in. Now, he is trapped in the cat's body forever.
Is that really you, Catboy?
Meow.
Gasping geckos! We need to stop Pharaoh Boy!
The power of the temple is mine!
Gotcha! Pharaoh's draining the crystal's power. That means draining our power, too. Hey! Where are you going?
Now that I've got control of this temple, I'll take control of their water and sky chariots, too.
We have to stop him. We can't. We're losing our power. What do we do?
Meow. Meow, 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 meow.
Did that mean time to be a hero? But he's just a cat. He's Catboy, and he's a PJ Mask. It's all we need. We need to do something before we lose all our powers. Meow!
Never mind. You're just a cat now. Watch me claim the power from your PJ Masks pals. By the power of Ra! Hey!
Meow, meow, meow.
Good work, Catboy Kitty.
Not good enough?
No power.
You silly cat! Hey! That's mine! Give it to me! Give! Give now!
Nuh-uh. There's only one way you're getting this staff back. If you give us back something that's ours. Release Catboy from the cat.
Never!
Meow.
Achoo! Okay, fine. Anything to stop it from bothering me. Meow.
Meow! Transform me! Thanks, buddy. Guess you're not exactly a sidekick, but we saved the day anyway. You, me, and my PJ Masks friends.
Shoo! Shoo! Keep your temple. I'm a mighty pharaoh anyway. Achoo!
And we're the mighty PJ Masks. Meow, 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 meow.
'Cause in the night we save the day!
Mad with moon power.
Aha! Found it! Cat of wonder, time to fly! Time to travel far and wide! Rise, cat of wonder, rise! Faster, cat of wonder, giddy up! I shall rule this city from this mighty sphinx. Just one city? Pharaohs should rule more than that. More! More! Whoa! Where are you taking me, mighty one? To new worlds? A new kingdom? To the moon!
Huh? Now that's something you don't see every day.
Matsuki evil Moppy plan. Break into ice cream parlor again.
Actually, we'll do what I say.
Don't be a bouncy pants, Luna.
Bossy pants, not bouncy pants.
Who cares? Teleporty time.
Legend says pharaohs once drew power from the moon. Lo, it is true. My palace! The power of the pharaohs awake! Fit for a king! Excellent. Most excellent.
Mask Boy? What are you doing in Luna's fortress?
Luna, I am ruler of the moon. None shall question the mightiness of Pharaoh.
Where's Newton? He's always here.
Your friend was meant to bring back a book on the moon today. It's late.
Late? Newton would never be late with a library book, not even if he was on the other side of the universe. He's got a moon book. Maybe he's there. And who else hangs out around the moon?
Luna and Matsuki? You think they've done something to him?
They've got some questions to answer. PJ Masks, we're on our way.
Into the night to save the
day!
Night in the city, and a brave band of heroes is ready to face fiendish villains to stop them messing with your...
No sign of Newton. I'll take the owl glider and see if I can find him in the city. We'll check his house for clues.
And I'll sit back to the library to see if we missed something. And see if you can find those moon girls, too. They'll know something.
For 1,000 years, I will rule. I will surround myself with treasures brought to me by my moon magnet. Rare gifts, precious things.
Great riches?
Why, yes. How did you know?
Just a wild guess. Villains. PJs, come in. Hello? Hello? Ah, this kid must be jamming the signal.
First treasure.
Hey, guys! No Newton. No Luna.
Fluttering feathers!
My owl glider!
What happened? Those moon sisters sucked my glider right from under me.
This ends now. Let's head into space and find them.
They're right here.
Matsuki loves stolen milkshake.
Stop! First, you take milkshakes that do not belong to you. Yeah, you got me. Second, you use moon power to capture Newton and the owl glider. Huh? Do what now?
Tell us the truth, Luna. What did you do to Newton's star?
This is ridiculous. Teleport us out of here, Matsuki!
Bye-bye.
No, you don't.
Why you stop us? You blame Matsuki and Luna? Matsuki no take Newton, birdie brain.
By my cat's whiskers!
Gasping geckos! Oh yeah, I took the cat and lizard chariot. Oh yeah.
Gecko? PJ Robot? Anybody?
They've got our vehicles too. But we were here when that happened. She's right. I had my owl eyes on them every second.
Who else can it be? Our stuff going to the moon, plus girls who live on the moon.
Let's get out of here. They're running away. Maybe they did do it after all.
Precious things. Mine. Next, the museum.
Okay, Newton Star. This guy's serious. Concentrate. Use asteroid power. It's me, Newton, calling the PJ Masks. Pharaoh Boy on the moon.
Wait, what's this?
Teleporty time. Bye-bye, PJ Masks.
It's me, Newton, on the moon. Pharaoh Boy on moon.
Pharaoh Boy?
Wow!
Quick, let's get inside! Go! He must have used a spell. Look for anything magical.
Creepy old stuff everywhere. How exactly do we find something magical?
Maybe we check the glowy thing over there.
Ooh, Matsuki like kitty scribbles.
Who is this kid? And what is he doing in my fortress?
Guys, where's the Sphinx?
Don't worry. There's more than one spell on this scroll. Just need to work out these hieroglyphics.
Come on, guys. Time to be heroes. Let's suit up. Gecko, we'll need your super strength. A lot of it. Gecko, we're in position.
We're ready too. You found the reverse spell?
Don't worry. I figured it out. Hieroglyphics are cool.
Matsuki, teleport Birdie and Kitty Cat now?
I am the almighty ruler. This moon is just the first step. I shall conquer other planets.
Do your plans for domination involve a space cat and an alien insect?
What?
Now!
Cat
Cat of Wonder, Cat of Stone, time for you to fly back home.
Super Cat Jump! Super Cat Strike!
Don't think that this little trick is enough to defeat me. Ah! No! This is Pharaoh's moon!
Here they come! That means Pharaoh Boy's moon magic must be wearing off.
Say what? Uh-oh. Super Gecko muscles! Got it! I will be back. I will rule until the end of time.
Super Cat Speed!
Matsuki, freeze Space Boy and teleport him and Owlie and everything back to Earth.
That's so nice, Matsuki. After how we treated you and Luna.
The brave Catboy crept, jumped, and pounced on totally the wrong idea.
We're really sorry. That's okay. Kind of fun playing the goody-goodies for a change. PJ Masks and Moon Girls shout hooray! 'Cause in the night, we save the day!